Everyone, it's Rimi. Welcome back to my channel. You guys are propped up right now in my window because I needed some quick, good lighting to film this intro. But today, oh wait, pause real quick. Yes, I still have my Valentine's Day balloon wall up because I think it's pretty. But as you can see, a little balloon decided to fall out right here. It's okay. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how I get the easiest overnight heatless curls. Super easy, super pretty. So if you guys like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already, subscribe before you go. And now let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so for these heatless curls, I'm going to be using my Robe belt. I feel like most people have robes, so if you want to try this, just use the belt, and that's literally all you need to get heatless curls. So as you guys can see, my hair was already brushed out, but I'm going through it one more time just to make sure there's no last minute knots. My hair tangles up really easily, so I'm just using a regular brush to brush all those out. And then just giving myself a quick little scalp massage. I try to get one in whenever I can. Then splitting my hair down the middle, taking the belt and putting it evenly on the very top of my head, and then just making sure that the ends are even. Now I'm just going to tie this side up and put that away for now. So now I'm just spraying my hair with some water, just lightly. You don't want it to be damp, but you don't want it to be completely dry either. And as you guys can see, I took a 1-inch section, wrapped it around, grabbing some more hair with it, wrapping it around again, grabbing some more hair, wrapping around, and it's literally this repetitive. That's all you have to do, is just grab hair as you go down and try to keep the sections that you're grabbing the same size. The bigger the section, the looser the curls will be, and then the smaller the section, the tighter they will be. So I was kind of grabbing uneven sections here and there just to test it out, but as you guys will see in the end, my curls turned out pretty nice. So yeah, I'm just grabbing hair as I go down and just repeating that until all the hair is wrapped around the belt. It is super easy, and I'm going to show you guys again on the other side just in case you don't get it yet. But yeah, it's super easy. And then once I get all the way down to the bottom, the ends of my hair, I just wanted them to curl nicely, so I'm just spraying them down with some water and then brushing through that and then wrapping it around to finish it off and tying it with an elastic. Moving on to the other side, once again just spraying my hair down with some water, not too much, then grabbing a 1-inch section of hair, wrapping it around the belt, adding some hair to that section and wrapping it around the belt, add in some more hair, wrap it around the belt, and so on. It is so easy. Also, I did forget to mention that I do not have any styling products in my hair, so this is just completely my natural hair brushed out, nothing else in it. But if you want even tighter curls than how mine turned out, use more water, and you can also have styling product in your hair already and you'll definitely get tighter curls. I like more like loose curls, so I just didn't really care to add any of that or too much water, but it's up to you, whatever floats your boat. So yeah, now just spraying my ends down with some water so that they curl nicely like I did on the other side, and then I'm going to show you guys how I wore these little twists to bed. If you don't want to wear these to bed, then you can just wait a couple of hours until your hair completely dries, or you can do what I'm doing and just wrap it up into a little side bun and tie that up and wear it to bed that way. I just did this because I knew that my twists would get messed up if I wore them down because I sleep kind of crazy. So yeah, just twisted both sides up, and I actually ended up putting my bonnet on over this to give me more security, and I was able to sleep perfectly fine with them. Super cute. Hello! So it is the next morning. Woke up, ate my breakfast, drank my tea, got ready, and now, is there a bug on my box? On my light box? Yep, that's a bug. That's a bug. As you guys can see, I do have my bonnet on because I do sleep like a crazy person. So I just wanted to protect the buns. So if you have a bonnet and you also sleep like a crazy person, make sure you wear it. I don't like this bonnet. I thought the little low buns were gonna bother me in my sleep, but they actually didn't. They just kind of like were pushed to the back whenever like I turned on each side. So if you're worried about that, don't worry. I love big bouncy curls or waves, so I'm really excited to see how these turn out. If they turned out good, this is about to be like my go-to. Okay, let's see how these babies turned out.
Oh no!
I sleep on my left side the most, so I'm not even surprised that this one got undone, but hopefully the twist is still intact. Okay, so the curls aren't looking the exact same on both sides, but I'm just judging up my hair to give me some volume, but I'm not mad at this. What do you guys think? There's like different textures going on, like I have tighter curls right here. You know what I think it is? I think it's like where I sprayed the most water got the curliest. So right here I do remember spraying a little more water. So these, we have like tighter curls going on right here, but then I have more like wave-like curls. I mean, I think it's pretty. I would definitely go out like this, maybe like would touch it up with a curling wand, but if I wanted to go completely heatless, I think this looks fine. All right, so after zhuzhing it up a bit, I feel like I finally got it to look how I like. I have some volume, I also have some frizz, but with volume comes frizz, at least for me, that's the case. So I really don't mind it as long as I have a big hair. The bigger the hair, the closer to Jesus. Know what I mean? If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new here for a lot more hair videos. If you guys have any video requests, also make sure you leave those down below in the comments. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!